In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Milestone in Upwork. By the end, you'll know exactly how to structure a fixed price contract with clear milestones so you and your freelancer stay aligned from day one. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Upwork, then click the official Upwork website. Once you're on the platform, browse or search for the freelancer you want to hire. Open their profile to review their portfolio, rates, and recent feedback, and when you're confident they're a good fit, click the Hire button on their profile to start an offer. You'll land on the offer page, where you'll set the contract terms. Choose the fixed price option. This is the best setup when your project has defined deliverables and a clear scope. Fixed price contracts on Upwork are supported by escrow, which helps protect both sides. Next, scroll to the Payment Schedule section. Select Pay in Installments with Milestones. Milestones allow you to break a project into manageable chunks, release funds only when work is delivered, and keep progress transparent. Now it's time to set your first milestone. Give it a concise, testable description so there's no confusion about what done looks like. For example, if you're hiring a video editor, you could write something like, produce the first edited draft with basic cuts, transitions, and sequence arrangement based on the agreed concept, and deliver a preview for review and feedback. Clear wording like this makes approvals straightforward and avoids back and forth later. Add the amount for this milestone. A good rule of thumb is to fund an amount proportional to the work required for that stage, not the entire project up front. Upwork will place this amount into escrow, so the freelancer knows the funds are secured, and you only release payment once you approve the work. If your project has additional phases, you can add more milestones now. Common follow-ups might be revisions, final polish, and delivery of source files. Even when adding multiple milestones, keep each one specific, measurable, and attached to a real deliverable or review point. Before you move on, read and accept the applicable terms and privacy policy. This ensures both parties are aligned on how payments and communications will be handled on the platform. When everything looks correct, click Continue. That's it. You've created a fixed price offer with milestones, giving you a structured plan, clear expectations, and safer payments. Keep milestone descriptions precise, set reasonable amounts, and communicate feedback promptly to keep your project running smoothly.